The village buzzes with life as the hare struts through the crowd, loudly proclaiming his unmatched speed. Amidst the commotion, the tortoise moves slowly through the throng, seemingly indifferent to the hare's boasting. Spotting the tortoise, the hare pauses dramatically, his voice dripping with mockery as he challenges her to a race. The tortoise remains calm, her gaze unwavering as she quietly accepts the hare's challenge. The starting gun echoes, and the hare explodes forward, a plume of dust marking his hubris. The tortoise begins his journey, each step a testament to unwavering resolve. Far ahead, the hare, arrogant in his lead, seeks respite under a shady tree, his confidence, his undoing. The hare succumbs to slumber, his dreams filled with victory's hollow praise. Unburdened by arrogance, the tortoise presses on, his steady pace a silent promise. The tortoise's relentless determination carries her forward, one step at a time. The hare awakens to a shocking reality, his eyes widening in disbelief. In a desperate surge, the hare sprints, his efforts rendered futile by the tortoise's unwavering lead. Triumph echoes as the animals declare, "Slow and steady wins the race."